Okay, hi guys, Sean here from the Cherished Tree Sawmill in Southern Ontario. I'm just going to bring you a little service announcement today on safety. There's something we ran into last week, and I wanted to put it on video because this might happen to one of you guys out there that's have a sawmill, and so just give me a moment here, and we'll talk about that issue. So yeah, we're just finishing up today. We're just getting that's a big chunk of walnut, big walnut cookie we'll get on the saw, and we'll try to slice that up before the night is over tonight. This is some of the stuff we cut there last week, I guess a couple weeks ago now. We got some nice live edge there, a lot of white oak in there, some maple, that's some other wood we cut, some 8/4 white oak, some 4/4 white oak. But I wanted to talk to you guys today about something we ran into last week. My brother was helping us in the sawmill a little bit, and we were moving logs, or he was moving a log, and he was taking a log out from the log rack, just basically like this, and as he was backing up, the loader control stuck, and he was raising the loader, and by the time he turned around, the log was quite high in the loader. So I'm gonna show you guys what that was like. I'm not gonna bring it all the way up, but I'll show you a bit of what he was looking at. So it's just gonna start the tractor here, and it was lifted like this. He had the log up there, and so he had the log quite high in the air. So we had that log up, and the loader goes quite a bit higher than that. So when that log was up that high, and he turned around, and like I said, the control stuck, and by the time he turned around, that log was about ready to roll, and we were really lucky that it didn't roll on him. He caught it in time, but you guys can probably see what we did, but I'll show you down there. So what we did is we welded these, or he brought it to the shop, and he welded these stoppers on here. So that will stop if the log does get loader high enough where the log rolls, it won't roll on the operator. So we put these stops in here, and then to take them out, we just pull this pin. I pull that pin there. Sorry, I had it pointing. So we just pull the pin, and then we can take it out, and then I can move loads of lumber without these in the way. But they are a good safety feature. So for any of you guys out there that's moving logs with a loader, this might be something you want to think about, is putting some sort of stopper on your loader, so that if your controls do stick, this log won't roll back on you and onto the operator. So anyway, guys, just wanted to make that little service announcement for you guys, and hopefully it might save an accident in the future. So all right guys, I will catch you on the next one. Have a good day.